DP, La Hora homework page, due 10:20. So to get there, you need to go into Schoology, and under Unidad Uno, you're going to open the new yellow folder, Parte Tres, and go to the homework. I already have it open, so I'm going to automatically open. All right, this is what the homework looks like. And remember, if it's ever too tiny and you have a hard time seeing it, if you go over to the magnifying glass, you can zoom it. I'm going to zoom into 200 because I feel like that is really going to give me a chance to see everything. All right. So, parte uno says, write the time that's listed below each box. Follow the example. So here's the example, 2:30. So the words say, son las 2:30. So therefore, I typed 2:30. So you need to read the next one, es la 1:20, and erase this and fill it in with what's correct. Same with the next one, son las 8:menos 1/4, or just son las 8:menos 1/4. Son las 11:10. And son las 11:10. Okay, so that is what you're doing for parte uno. Parte dos says, write what time it is in complete sentences. Follow the example. So my example says 9:23, so I said son las 9:23. It doesn't have an AM or a PM, so I didn't have to put that. If you'd like to, for extra practice, go for it. That would be wonderful. So here you're going to type in however you say 1:40. Remember, anytime after that 31-minute mark means you have to jump to the next hour and do that other formula. So make sure that you're using your notes page for these. And then the last part, parte tres, says answer these questions about your own schedule. Remember, if somebody asks you a qué hora, you need to respond with either a las or a la. Remember, the only time you use a la is if it's one something. So this is asking a qué hora empieza tu clase de matemáticas. You're going to write your answer here, but first thing you need to know is that there is a word in there that you do not know, and that is right over here, empieza. So this is asking a qué hora, at what time starts tu clase de matemáticas. You can figure that one out, but clase means class, matemáticas, math. So what time does your math class start? You can lie if you don't actually know. If you want to say it starts at 2 o'clock, you could. Just make sure that you respond with a las or a la, right? So look up on your notes page and figure out. Same with the rest of these. Notice that some say en qué hora, so that's going to be right here. En qué hora, in what hour? But then some start with a qué hora, at what time. So go through, make sure that you check. There are words in here that will help you out, and that is what you are doing. So that is the DP La Hora homework page that is due on October 20th. Buenísimo.